Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting because I'm going to be unboxing my very first FABFITFUN box. This is the Fall 2020 box. I just subscribed. I did unbox a starter box here on my channel before and I liked it so much that I signed up for the year. And I did have a promo code for some bonus products, which is why my box is so big. So let's just dig right in. I did not peek, although I did make quite a few choices because I did subscribe for the year. I forget half the things that I chose, so I'm excited to unbox this. It's just been sitting waiting for me to film this video. Firstly, I have my 3 bonus products. This was a code for subscribing. They always have promo codes of one sort or another, so definitely keep your eye out for that. I will have a referral link as well down below. And also let me know if you want a starter box, because I think I have a few more of those to give away. Those are free sample boxes of the subscription. You just need to pay for shipping, which is $5 US or about 12 Canadian dollars if you're interested in that. My first bonus product is from Black. This is Cleanse and Exfoliating Charcoal Wipes with glycolic acid and vitamin A, B, and C. 25 cleansing wipes. I do not use this sort of product. I think that it's wasteful. Yeah, so I will be passing this along, but it says in-flight approved. And it does say it is cruelty-free. This product looks really interesting. It's from LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt, a nourishing balm to oil. And this also says it's cruelty-free, beauty for humanity. Squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around the eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. This sounds so lovely for the upcoming winter where I live. It gets very cold and dry. I get extremely chapped lips and dry patches on my face, and my knuckles get super dry and sometimes crack. So I'm actually going to try this out. It doesn't really smell like much of anything. I can't even squeeze it out of here. Hello? Oh my gosh. I literally look how slow it's coming out. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna need my husband to squeeze this out for me anytime I want to use it. That is such an interesting texture. So it was like a balm and now it's like an oil, but it's not as thin as what I would expect an oil to be. And it doesn't have much of a scent. There's a little bit of something there, but I can't quite identify it. But that is such an interesting product. Again, this was a extra freebie type of product. And I also got the Anti-Aging LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream for fine lines, wrinkles, firms, smooths, hydrates. I always love trying out new skincare. That is also a really nice product to receive as an added bonus. Okay, so now let's hop into the actual Fall 2020 subscription box. I love how decorative these boxes are. I think they're going to be great, especially coming into the holidays, to put gifts in. Even though they say FABFITFUN, I know so many people won't even mind that. A lot of my family recycles boxes like this. Let's open this up. Okay. Proof that I did not open it before showing you guys. Okay, so here is the magazine for the month. I am so excited. I'm seeing some really interesting products. I'm not going to go into this whole magazine of all of the choices. Maybe I'll just hold it here for a second. So you can get an idea on the different types of products that you could choose from. I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'm just gonna reach in. First thing here, I have blue light blocking eyewear glasses. So I did choose these. I've been really curious about blue light glasses and trying them out because I do work from home, I run my own business, and I'm staring at a screen a lot and my eyes do get tired and like really bloodshot. So I'm interested in trying these out. These are from Nectar and these retail for $45 US. They are a tortoise shell. How do I look in glasses? Oh my gosh, I look ridiculous. I can't even take myself seriously. I do not wear glasses or contacts. These do not look the same shape as they do here, in my opinion. Don't they look flatter on the top? And these are very round. That's okay. If they help my eyes, I don't care because I will be home anyways. That is just so funny to me. Okay, I'm just going to reach in here at random. From the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil, illuminating milk for face and body. How cute is this little package here? This retails for $19.50 US. I can't even open this right now. I don't have anything to open that, but it is just a liquid highlight. I'm a little worried it might be too dark for me. This is something I am really excited from. This is from Mason Tops. It's a glass water bottle with a neoprene covering in the shade turquoise. This retails for $35. It says ditch the plastic and opt for the sleek glass bottle which holds up to 20 ounces. I'm so excited for this. This does have a really great covering on it. It's sturdy. I'm gonna get so much use out of this. And the color is just, this has to be one of my favorite colors ever. This is from Volition. This was another product that I chose. This is the Celery Green Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptides. I think this is another moisturizer. This is a cruelty-free product. Alright, we have Emmett here helping us now. I was talking about the Volition Celery Green Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptides. This smells really green, but not in a gross way. I really like the way it smells actually, and for someone who hates celery, I was surprised. It says, innovation, your skin will be juiced. Celery helps minimize the appearance of pores and skin texture, leaving a blurred satin finish. I think I'm really going to like this, and especially if it blurs the appearance of pores, I think that's going to be really great under makeup. So I'm excited to try out this face cream, and it does retail for $55 US. This is a very pricey moisturizer, and I don't have a list of the prices on the cream in my bonus gift, but LMS is also a very pricey skincare brand. This is open. This is Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step Pumpkin Spice. Includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits, a sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. And it says it's vegan. How much does this retail for? $20 US. It says made with pumpkin extract. The fruit enzymes naturally exfoliate dead skin cells, and vitamin A, C, and E help reveal radiant skin. I don't know if you guys know this about me. I hate feet. Well, I've never gone for a pedicure because I cannot stand the thought of someone touching my feet. But maybe this is something I would try on myself. Do I want my feet to smell like pumpkin spice though? I don't know how I feel about this. So it's cruelty-free, vegan, and made with organic ingredients. It sounds really nice. It's very fall-esque, fall-themed, but I just, I don't know how I feel about that. Next, I have Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, Color Safe. What is this? From Nature Lab, Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. This treatment mask is used to restore dull hair from scalp to strands with keratin technology and argan and prickly pear oils. Retails for $16 US. I'm not a big hair person. I have quite a few hair masks that I need to use up before opening something like this, but it does say it is cruelty free. A bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. Apply from ends to scalp, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse. Okay, if you stop. Yeah, Emma's helping me. You're tired? Yeah. Are you ready for bed? No. Just a couple more things. These hair clips I'm really excited for now that I chopped my hair off quite significantly. I know it's not short, but it was way longer than this. These are from 8 Other Reasons Runway Clip Trios. Pin your hair to perfection with this trio of resin plated pins. Retails for $32 US. Holy. They are really cute marble. 3 clips there. I thought this would be nice for while doing my makeup or something to just clip my hair back. And I just think that they're really cute, or to do like a half updo and have my hair like clipped nicely in the back. I'm really happy to have these. And lastly, this was the first choice and I'm really excited for it. This is from Mia Melange. This is a foldable cotton basket made from cotton yarn rope. This basket can be used as a planter for storage or more. Retails for $60 US. The promo photo for this had this with a beautiful tree in it, and I was so inspired to, I'm gonna get a fake one because I kill every plant I've ever tried to keep alive, but to make room in my living room for a plant. I'd love to have more greenery in my home, and I think this would be great. Or if that doesn't happen, it would be great for kids' toys or a throw blanket or something like that as well. It's just a really cute cotton basket. I think it's going to look great in my living room. Let me just calculate up the retail value of my very first FABFITFUN box. The retail value of my fall 2020 FABFITFUN box is $282.50 US. I will have the conversion to what it would work out to be for Canadian dollars. So it is, you know, quite a pricey box, but I like the variety. I like that it's only quarterly, and if you are in the US, it is $49.95 per month, and you'd be getting almost a $300 value for that. So I think the value is there. I love that you can choose so many of your products. So my camera just died as I was filming the outro to this video, so I'm just hopping on my phone here. I have a bed full of babies. I'm really happy with this box. I love the variety of lifestyle and beauty products. I like that I got to choose 5 out of my 8 products. I think that's really fantastic. And then some months I'm feeling more lifestyle. I did, because this is my first one, choose quite a lot of lifestyle items. I chose the basket, the water bottle, the clips, just because I'm so used to getting only beauty subscription boxes. I wanted to try some of the more lifestyle things, and I'm really happy with this box. I'm not super pumped about the foot thing just because I hate feet, and the hair mask isn't too exciting for me just because I don't do anything with my hair. But I'm also really thankful for the freebies I got as well with that code. and I'm looking forward to unboxing these seasonally on my channel. I need to go and put these babies to bed. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!